This one's quick and dirty for a viewer named Derek, and I can't pronounce his last name, about how to change the drive belt on these. And the first thing is make sure it's supported, like really well. So there's the drive belt. Just take note of the routing of where it goes. And when you're not driving, I don't think there's any tension on the belt. So you see that tab that kind of holds it on there. I think that can just flex away as you pull it down from there on both sides. There's one there and one there. And then gently get it over the fan over here so you don't damage it. You'll have to take the tension off the deck. And take off the deck, the implement drive belt, I guess you'd call that, so that you can come in here, and once you get it loose from out back, it should just flop over this and come out the bottom. So you got to take this off. The tensioner's over there. Try that, see how it goes.